Hello, cherry lovers. Well, today I'm going to try and beat the rain. They're saying within 2 hours we're supposed to have rain most of the day. I still got lots to do. Like I was saying before, probably on the video before this, about every other day we got rain. We've up here in Upper Michigan here, we've had the rain, and I mean, not complaining because it helps the garden and everything. Why the well wasn't working, but now it's like rain. I mean, I don't know if this is what summer's going to be like all the time, but rain. I mean, you go out to get something done, you got one day the whole week, and the rest of the time it rains. You can't get out and do anything. So I'm going to bring you guys along. What I'm going to do here for this video is this is like an everyday thing on the farm, what's got to get done. And I thought I'd bring you along and show you everything that I got to do. Basically cleaning up, just everyday chores that need to go on out here that I got to get done. So I'm going to bring you along. Brought the mic so that you guys can I can tell you what I'm doing. And my first thing right now is I've got to get the gas put away. I gotta find room for my air compressor, get the rake put away, go out here and get all the tools for the well put away, and hopefully if it don't rain, I want to get some of them, all that metal pipe out there where I'm going to put that. So I'm going to bring you guys along. So this is where I'm going to start out. So let's get started. First of all, I want to make sure my tire's pumped up because I got a low tire and I'm gonna have to get an inner tube for this one. Yep, it sure feels like it's up there. So, all right, let's get started over here. Get the diesel put away. Oh man, like I said, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to work. My son's supposed to come up today and help with putting a little house over top of the well, but I don't think we're going to get that far because I got this sneaky feeling that we are going to get rain. I looked on the radar and they're saying it's coming. So bad part about it is I'd like to get stuff done, but anyways, I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let me turn it around this way because this is where I'm heading. Got a lot of stuff that needs to get cleaned up. I got to get my poles. I'm going to get the poles put back over here. That's for the high tunnel. Get them behind the house so they aren't noticeable. All right, let's go over here and go to work. Boy. Boy, I shouldn't show you guys my dirty garage or my shed because Lord have mercy, it needs to be cleaned out bad. Maybe I'll do that if it don't rain. If my boy don't come up, I don't know if he's coming up or not, but if he is, if he doesn't, then I got that to do. All right. I'm gonna take this tractor over. Basically, this tractor, my bucket when I'm not getting dirt and all that kind of stuff, it's like my workbench. So I put stuff in it to take care of it. So let's go over here and, oh boy, let's go over here and get things cleaned up. I got a mess that needs to be cleaned up here, so that's what I'm gonna do. Clean up this mess. Yeah, what a day. I'm gonna leave all these 6x6s right here because I need them for when I'm gonna make the platform for those are going back over there. Whoa. And but yeah, I gotta get them taken care of here. Get the platform built and for the tank and get that back, that over there, back over where it belongs, on top of the water, now that we got a well. And I'm kind of hoping, I hope that this well stays more than 6 years, even though the last one only lasted 6. I'm hoping for the best, and they usually are supposed to last about 20 years. I ain't gonna say much to you guys. But 20 years, if I can get hit the last 20 years, you know, that's why I don't look ahead. Used to be when I was 40. Say, 20 years, I'm gonna be in my 60s. Now that I'm 66 years old, in 20 years, if that lasts 20 years, I will be 86. Wow. That means I would be an old fart, to say the least. So, yeah. Let's get all this stuff picked up and put away. And if my boy comes up, I will be taking it all back out. Not the well stuff. And as you guys can see, I've held on to stuff because there's a possibility if I put another well out, there's nothing wrong with this. If I can save some of this PVC and get some junctions to glue together, then I got them. So it's always good to hang on to it until you know that you're actually done. And then once you know that you're done with the stuff, then you can get rid of it. Well, I guess that's how you accumulate all kinds of stuff. Because you say, oh, I'm going to hang on to it. And then you hang on to it. And you realize you really didn't need to hang on to it. But, like I said, everyday chores. This is what I'm doing, folks. Every day. So, leave that stuff right here. That goes on. Put that there. Chair can go back to the house. Got extra Extra check valve, ball valve. Just never know when you need them. But it did take a load off my mind when I got the well done, because Lord have mercy, when you get the well done like this, oh man, what a break this was. Oh God, maybe I won't be able to get it off. There we go. I don't need that on here now that I got the prime. That's only in the spring. When it loses prime, pump it up, turn the ball valve off, ready to rock and roll. Open that up in the spring or in the fall, the water goes back. Water goes back, I don't have to worry about it freezing. Trying to make sure to get everything here. Oh, all that stays. All right. Do I got all the tools up? Looks like it. Yep, I got all the tools up. Next thing is putting the bricks, getting those poles back over where they belong, and put the chair, take the chair back to the porch. These are extra chairs when all the people are up. Yeah, this is probably going to be a boring video, but you know, this is what I do when I'm up here. Every day it's, what do I do today? What do I do today? I don't show you guys everything, but what goes on today? Well, if I can get all this stuff pulled out of the way, get that stuff behind you, all the poles and everything put back where I need it, I want to get this mowed. Like I said, there's that much more. I got posts that are bent over. I got 2 of them out there that bent over that need the post hole diggers to open that up and just get different things put back together. And this is it. This is this is the farm. And being a farm, there's always something. I don't have animals, but there's always something. Like I said, if you watched anything, you can see all the problems that come about, all the things that have to be fixed, all the things that, it's just continuous. You don't have to have animals to have a farm and have a farm that keeps you busy. Because if I really don't know how, and I know that if I had them, it would fit right in, but I don't know how I would find time for animals. And like I said, I've watched a lot of you guys out there, and you guys have lots of, you just stay busy and you feed the animals in between. I just don't know that, for me personally, don't know where I'd find the time. Of course, I know that I'm not a 100% full-time farmer, or how do you want to say it, homesteader, because this is my place. This is in northern Michigan. Yes, it's a farm. Yes, we're doing this. But I got another home that I live in downstate. So it's not something I'm here all the time. Wished I was, because there'd be a lot of things done, a lot of things different. So let's get started. I'm gonna quit my rambling. We gotta get this done before it rains. Gotta get it done before it rains. And it's coming. Man, I must have lost weight overnight. Just can't keep my pants up. We get suspenders like old people. Like an old man, gotta get them. Hold my britches up. Okay, now I gotta find room for everything. Yeah, that's another whole issue, another whole story. And it's funny how you guys we can over the farm, you can accumulate so much stuff. It's just, I don't know how I do it. But I do. I accumulate a lot of stuff over the years. And that's another thing I'll talk to you guys about. Doing a farm. Saying, oh man, I can put a, well, let's just say this thing is almost a 20 by 20. All right, shed. I'm thinking other things while I'm doing this. And I thought, well, gosh, this is going to be the biggest. This shed will hold everything. My tractors, everything I need. My three-wheeler, yeah, back there, I got to get a tire for it. Everything I need, it's big enough. It's not big enough. It's not big enough, folks. Ain't that a shame? You always think that it is. And you're always thinking, well, I don't have to worry about that because my shed's big enough. Now I know why people have 4 or 5 different sheds, pole barns, you name it, they got it. And the reason why is because over the years you accumulate more and more and more and more. So anyways, slowly getting things put back. Extra fittings. Oh man, I'm running out of places. All I'm doing is basically, this is a shame. But it's gotta get put away for right now. What I need to do is a major clean out. Major clean up. Yeah. Well. Yep, I'm gonna. Oh man, a lot of things have to be cleaned up. So anyways, I'm gonna get a chain out and drag these poles back over. If I was 20 years younger, I'd just drag them over with my hands. But nowadays, I need help. That's just the way it is. Some things will never change. Anybody know that song? All right, let's get this done, folks. How many things gotta happen today? I sure hope it don't rain. Today, anyways. Give me a little break. But I hate to tell you guys, the off that way is getting dark. So I'm buying time, folks. I'm hurrying. that done. Put the chain back in the garage, shed, whatever you'll call it. And go out back here, figure out what we're going to do, where we're going to put the poles. Funny how you can accomplish when you are trying to fight the rain. Now I'm going to stationary this camera. Okay, I'm going to station the camera right here for you guys. So you can see me picking that up and taking it out there. You'll be able to see me do it all. But as you guys can see in the background, it's getting real dark off there. So don't have a lot of time. And I gotta buckle my pants up. The way that yep, they're all the way up. Hey, this old boy must be losing weight. Crazy. I eat like a hog. All right, let's get this stuff taken care of. I want to get rid of it. I don't want to get rid of it. Come on, Pike. Let's start being uncooperative here. Well, I guess I'm only going to take 3 at a time. Don't want to. Yes. There, let's roll. Okay, folks, I'll bring you back when I get this all taken care of. It's gonna be a little while. Plus, you look behind me, here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. So, well guys, as you guys can see, it's starting to rain. Can't talk long because my camera's out there. But I'm slowly getting, let me show you over here. I'm getting to it. I got half the pile taken care of, but I knew it was coming. So, yep, I've got that getting there. I'm gonna leave the old tractor out and let it get a bath. It ain't gonna hurt it. So, needs a bath. One thing I do say about the tractor, that tractor's been a lifesaver. I'm telling you what. 2007 Kubota. Now don't laugh at me now. Don't laugh at me. It's only a 15 horse. And that thing works just as good as the small ones like that, 23 horse. Got all the guts in the world. What, you know, for a 15 horse. I'm amazed at the power it's got. Very impressed. Uh-oh, it's raining and it's thundering. So I'm gonna let you guys get out of here. Look up here somewhere and like and subscribe. Come back and see us. I'm gonna come back in the next video and hopefully we're gonna be working on that and finishing up getting that pipe out of here. Hopefully, if everything works out, hopefully we're gonna get them garage doors on that first high tunnel all done. So the next time we come up, there is rafters. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye now.